With 1280 LEDs, the PAUTIX 2700K to 6500K tunable COB USB LED strip light allows you to dim between warm and white light and creates a brighter and super even lighting performance, which is ideal for reducing eye strain. With the upgraded dimmer for 10 level brightness adjustment and with a memory function, this USB powered COB LED strip restores to its last setup to save your time effectively. The LED strips are ideal for daily use. The RF remote allows you to control your light strip from any range of up to 15 meters. The long-life LED strip and the longer cable length, it's powered by any device with a USB port that outputs 5-volt 2 amp or above, such as your TV, computer, desktop, laptop. The lifespan is more than 50,000 hours, and the length of the power cable is 2.5 feet, long enough for your DIY lighting. And it is ideal for under the cabinet, bedroom, kitchen, living room, shelving, in my case for displays. And it's got a 3M self-adhesive stronger stick for longer hold, and it will also allow you to bend the COB light strip for your DIY.